Save these two for last. Actually, I'm going to leave one, 8.1.69, completely up to you. Okay, you got to read the problem. The difference between two complementary angles is 32 degrees. What's the measure of the larger one and the measure of the smaller one? Okay, I'm going to draw a picture. So I got a word. I have a English explanation. Let's draw this is geometry. I can draw a picture, right? It's complementary angles, so I know, what does that mean? That means, let's call them angle X and angle Y, okay? Angle X and angle Y. You don't have to label X and Y, but the difference between the two complementary, I know two complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So X plus Y equals 90 degrees. I can write that down. X plus Y equals 90 degrees. Okay, angle X, the difference between the two, so one is angle X, angle Y is, let's make it the smaller one, X minus 32, okay? That's putting this word explanation into math speak, okay? I have angle X, my bigger one. The difference between two angles is 32. So one angle is a certain amount, the other angle is 32 less than that. The difference between the two, 32. Okay, so then I can substitute in, I got angle X plus angle Y is X minus 32. The difference between these two angles is 32. And I just have to figure out what number makes that true. So X plus X, combine like terms, minus 32. 2X equals, add them together, right? Add 32 to both sides. Get rid of this 32. 122 divided by 2. X equals 122 divided by 2. 61. If I take 32 away from 61, Y equals 61 minus 32. If it's 31, it'd be 30. It'd be 29. Hey, is that the magic numbers that solves this little? This is actually a system of equations if I'd have made it a little bit longer. But so now the bigger angle is 61. The smaller angle is 29. You can check. You add these two back together, you get 90 degrees because they're complementary angles, right? So it works. And they are 30. The difference between these two angles is 32. All right. That's number 8.1.68. Okay, one more problem solving. I'll let you do 8.1.69. Okay, 8.1.70. Angle A is 14 times as big as angle B, and the two angles are supplementary. Well, we'll draw a tiny picture here. It's going to be a crazy picture, right? Because X, this can be angle B, right? Well, let's just go angle B, and angle A is 14 times angle B, so angle A over here is way bigger than angle B. Angle A is 14 times B. If you want to get fancy, you can write two equations. A plus B equals 180. And an equation here, angle A equals 14 times B. Okay, so you got two equations, and I can use substitution. Remember back to systems of equations? No, Mr. Chad, no. Okay, so we'll substitute this right here. So I have angle A, 14 times of B, plus angle B equals 180. Two equations, substitute, and solve this one. Combine like terms, 15B equals 180. B equals 180 divided by 15. Oh no, what is that? I think that's 12. Okay. Check me with your calculator. We'll figure this out real quick here. So angle B, that's our smaller angle. So this is the measure of angle B is 12. Well, the measure of angle B, I just substitute back up in the easiest one, 14 times 12. Measure of angle A equals 14 times that one. And then we get to check, of course. What does that come out to be? 140 plus 28. 168. Good, because 12 plus 168 is 180, so it solves both equations. I put my A and my B in here, it works. I put my A and my B in here, it works. So we got it. All right, have fun on that one, guys. That's about as tough as it gets. A word explanation. You got to figure it out from this vocabulary word and write your two equations and solve that little system. All right, good job, guys. Good luck.